On this video today, I'm going to show you a CPA method that you can use to earn up to $150 per day as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. This method is not free. You have to invest some little amount of money so that you can earn a lot of money using this strategy that I'm about to show you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your Cpagrip accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is my earning. So if you are able to take action on this method that I'm about to show you, you can equally see good results right here. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. Once I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money on Cpagrip, but these offers are allowed in the United Kingdom. You can see it right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for offers in the United States so that we can promote those offers to make money. If you have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, you can equally promote these offers. But what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use a platform whereby we can get people from the United States to take action. So just come right here, search for United States. So once you search for US, you are going to see it right here. Click on it so that you can get offers to promote. Once you search for the United States, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in the United States so that they will take a specific action for you to make money. As you can see, this offer right here, act now for a 750 PayPal gift card. If you get people from the United States to enter their emails to receive this offer right here, you are going to be earning $2.05. And you can see right here, they have to complete the offer on a desktop. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote an offer that is allowed on mobile device, because a lot of people are using mobile devices than desktop. So you are going to scroll down to find that offer. Once you scroll down, you can see this offer right here, grab the 750 PayPal gift card now. This offer is allowed on all mobile devices. And you can see the requirement: your potential visitor has to enter an email to receive the offer, and you are going to be paid $2.05. So now what you are going to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link to promote the offer. So just click on it. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your payout. You can see the title of the offer right here. You can see the warning right here. This offer is allowed on mobile devices. You can see this offer is allowed in only the United States. And this is your affiliate link. So now the next step is that we are going to build a landing page so that you can begin to promote this offer. So you can create a simple landing page like this. As you can see, this is my landing page. You can see this is my call to action, and it is linked to my affiliate link. So anytime people click right here, they are going to get access to the offer through my affiliate link. So I've shown you in some of my videos on how to create a landing page like this, so I don't want to waste your time. It is very simple. You can create it within 2 minutes. So now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular landing page so that you can get a lot of people to take the action for you to make money on Cpagrip. So now what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, addcash.com. This website allows you to advertise any link that you want. Any product that you are promoting, you can advertise it on this website, and you are going to get a lot of traffic at a cheaper cost. You can see they have a lot of different ad formats that you can use to promote your offer right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create an advertiser account. Once you create an advertiser account, you can get access to the platform to advertise your links. So just click right here, register, so that you can register for your free accounts. In my case, I'm going to sign into an account that I created today so that I will use it to demonstrate step by step on how to use this particular website to drive traffic to your affiliate links so that you can get people to take the necessary action for you to make money. So let me just log in for you to see. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So to get your campaign running, you have to add funds. So you can just click right here, add funds, so that you can deposit money onto your accounts, and this website is going to spend that money to get a lot of people to click your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. To create a campaign, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, create a campaign. Once you click on create a campaign, you are going to see a page like this. You can see campaign name. So you are going to type the name of your campaign. You can type any name that you want. People are not going to see this particular name. It is only for you to identify the ad that you are running. So just type any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type PayPal money, so something like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the devices, so you have to select the appropriate device that the offer is allowed on. When you come back on Cpagrip, you can see right here this offer is only allowed on mobile devices, all mobile devices, so you have to select the mobile device. When you come back, what you have to do is that you have to deselect this one, deselect this one, deselect this one, and then allowed only smartphone and then tablet. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here select locations. In this case, our offer is only allowed in the United States. You can see it right here. This offer is only allowed in the United States, so you have to come back and then select United States. So just search right here United States, search for United States. Once you search for United States, you can see it right here. Click on it and it's going to be selected. The offer is only allowed in one country, so you have to leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to click right here next. Once you click on next, you can see the traffic sources. Just leave it like this. You can use any traffic source, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see right here user interest. Once you click on it, you can see arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles, and a whole lot of different categories. In this case, it's a PayPal gift card. Any person can be interested in it, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see right here website category, so you can see a whole lot of different categories. Just leave everything, don't select anything, and then deselect adult. Do not select adult. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here device. You can select any operating system that you want, but in our case we are not restricted, so you don't need to select it. Just click right here next. Once you click on next, you can see creative, so you are going to select any of these options. In this case, select in-page push. So if you select this option, anytime the users are engaging with any content, your ad is going to pop up for them to take the necessary actions. So just select this option. Once you select it, you can see your potential daily impression. It is 1 million plus, so you are going to get a lot of people who take the action for you to make money. So once you have that, you can see creative URLs. This is where you're going to paste the link to your landing page. Just come back on site.google. Once you are on your landing page, you are going to click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, click on copy link so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see add title. You can just come back on Cpagrip and then copy the title right here. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come right here and then paste it as your title. As you can see, the next step is that you are going to paste the description. You can see the noun, you have to delete it. They don't need more than 30 characters, so just delete the noun. Once that is done, you are going to paste the description right here. So just go back on Cpagrip. Once you're on Cpagrip, you are going to copy this particular text as your description. Just copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here as your description. You can see right here all the characters are not allowed, so what you have to do is that you have to delete some of them. As you can see, that has been done. You can see enter mobile number now, just to win. So let's type something like to win. Okay, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see right here icons, so you have to upload an image of the offer that you are promoting. In our case, it's a PayPal gift card, so you can just search for images of PayPal gift card. You can see I've just used Canva to create one. What you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for $750 PayPal gift card. Once you search for that, you can see a whole lot of different images. Just download any of them. Once you download it, you are going to come on Canva and then click right here custom size. Once you click on custom size, you are going to enter the size that is allowed right here. When you come back on your ad, you can see the size is 192 pixels by 192 pixels. That is the minimum size. You can come on Canva and then enter that number right here. Once you enter it, you are going to see a page like this. Just upload your image. Once you upload your image like this, you are going to click on share. Once you click on share, you are going to click on download. Once you click on download, you are going to select download again so that the image will be downloaded onto your PC. Once that is done, you are going to come back on your ad and then click right here browse so that you can select the image. Once you click on browse, you are going to select your image, so just select the image that you downloaded, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the image. You can see this is the preview of your ad. This is what your potential visitors are going to see before they click through to take the action for you to make money. The next step is that you are going to click right here, save creative, so that your campaign can be saved. As you can see, it has been saved. Once it is saved, you are going to come right here, click on next, so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. So you are going to select your buy type, select CPC, that is cost per click. Once you select cost per click, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, this is the average cost per click. You can select it, or you can enter an amount that is lower than this or higher than this. I'm going to use the recommended one, so just click on it and it's going to appear right here. Once you select that, you are going to click on save changes, so that your changes can be saved. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come right here. You can see conversion value, so you are going to leave it as automatic. Click on save changes. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see daily budget. This is the amount that you are willing to pay for your ad per day. So in this case, I'm going to just add $20, or you can add any amount that you want. Once that is done, you're going to click on save capping. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here server error. Just ignore all that. You can see daily impression right here. If you want, you can enter the total number of impressions that you want. In this case, I'm not going to restrict the website, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can schedule your campaign. If you don't want to schedule it, you can just click right here next, so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on it, you can see this is the overview of your campaign. So you have to scroll down and then check the details that you provided. If there is something wrong with it, you have to correct it. You can see everything. This is your campaign. You can see your cost per click right here. You can see the location right here. This is the most important aspect, because if you target the wrong audience, you are not going to be earning money on Cpagrip. You can see your link right here. You can see it is active. So now what you have to do is that you have to launch the campaign. To launch the campaign, you have to click right here, create a campaign. Once you click on it, you can see congratulations, your campaign has been successfully created. It is now being validated by our team, which takes around 15 minutes. So within 15 minutes, your campaign is going to be validated. So now you have to deposit money onto the website, so that your campaign can be running and you are going to be driving traffic to your landing page. Once you drive traffic to your landing page, most of them are going to take the action for you to make money on Cpagrip. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.